Hey, I'm Jack Hennessy, and this is my Tableau project. Um, about myself, I'm from Tallahassee, Florida, and I'm a sophomore. I just recently switched my major to accounting. Originally, it was marketing, and I didn't really find it interesting. Coming to USF, I had no idea what I wanted to do when I was older until I took this class, and it easily came to me, and learning the material actually felt rewarding when I actually got a good grade on the tests or did good well on assignments. So I'm now pursuing a career in finance and have an internship at an accounting firm. Growing up in a college town, I had a lot of experiences that taught me to always focus on school, even though I had all this other social life going on and sports and whatnot, but still focusing on my grades. And so here I am doing this project on my coronacation, working on 9 to 5. So an overview of the data set in each of the tabs on my project. This is an overview of what each of them means. The net sales in each state, the average sales in each state, the number of sales in each state, and then the net sales per region, net sales per salesperson, insurance type per region, and the map, the topographical map of the net sales per region. So this is the questions and the answers for the Tableau project. As you can see, New Jersey, a northeastern state, had the most sales, obviously, while Massachusetts, a New England state, had the lowest sales. The graph pretty much showed that areas like New York, New Jersey, and that New England area had marginally higher sales, whereas areas even northeastern than that in the New England states, like Massachusetts and Connecticut, lacked in sales. As you can see in my analysis, that maybe it was something to do with a lack of clients in the region or a lack of need for insurance for professional products, or life insurance was one of the lowest representing sales from the insurance, so maybe there aren't a high populace of people in those areas. They are much smaller, but $4 million is a large difference, in my opinion, for sales, and they have the same amount of salespeople in each area, so they might need to look into maybe marketing in those areas better, or dropping down to one salesperson. But anyway, that concludes my Tableau project. Thank you.